Alright, you've heard me talk about this place before. This is Bubba's 33. We're in Glen Burnie, Maryland. I'm Dark Dave. This is Dark Dave's shop. I hope you guys enjoy some of the videos I put out. I know I do a lot of writing videos because that's what I enjoy doing. If you guys want something else, you really should tell me. If you don't tell me, I'm just going to keep doing what I've been doing, and hopefully we get more people on the channel. I hope you guys enjoy wings. Every Wednesday it's wing night. I don't care where you're at. I don't care if the place calls them wing night or not. I will always have my wings on Wednesday. It goes back to Army, because every base I ever went to, Wednesday was wing night. Mainly because it was cheap food that they could serve as grunts, and we were happy to eat it. Please join us. I will do some video inside, and rightfully because the music's so loud, you probably won't be able to hear much. But Bubba's is a good place. They take care of me, I take care of them, etc. Well, I gotta put on my mask going in. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, this is Dark Dave's shop. This is Dark Dave. I just topped off the tank. Mainly because when I topped off last time it was freezing cold, and I wanted to make sure that I had enough gas. I have plenty now. I am taking a route home. Now, this is just a suggestion. You do not have to follow it. Most of what I say is suggestions. I mean, yes, I do things differently than some people. I do the same as some people. When you're on a trike, you always gotta watch, make sure that you're not bumping anything. But I always try to go to the same type gas station. This particular bike is always gassed up at Royal Farms. Now, if I'm at a place where there's no Royal Farms, I will gas up at somewhere else. But I keep track of where I'm gassing, and you'll note when you do something like that, if anything goes wrong, you've got the receipts from that company. And always use the same credit card. If you're paying cash, keep the receipts. It's all about taking care of your bike, taking care of yourself. and making sure that everything works.